Cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today I am recreating this fabulous Barbie inspired movie premiere outfit that I really want to try. I would just wanted to do something that is Barbie related, so she's coming out. So here is our Barbie inspo. We're going to recreate her top. We're not going to recreate the whole dress, we're just going to recreate the top part because I just want the top, the ruffles. So here's the fabric items you're going to need. You're going to use a tube top, a tracing pattern, you're going to need tulle, obviously pink tulle, and you're going to need pink stretchy fabric. And don't forget scissors and pens and pins. So here's my little friend gonna come and help me. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and trace your tube top on some fabric pattern, whichever you like. I just use this one instead, so you're gonna go ahead and trace that out. Once you do that, then we're going to go ahead and cut it out.
They gon' say now. I'm watching these bitches, I'm loving a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. What a fake Barbies just wanna put.
Okay, kids, now that we cut out, we're going to take our patterns and we're going to place it onto our fabric, and we're going to cut our 4 fabrics out on it. And then we're going to go ahead and pin it. Now once we pin our patterns to our fabric, we're going to go ahead and cut out 4 pieces of those. And make sure that they're both back and front. Make sure you label that too, because you don't want to make a mistake. Now we're going to go ahead and cut it out. As we cut it out, we're going to take off the pattern. And once we cut out our pattern,
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Here's a quick tutorial of how you pin all the way around your top. So for instance, put on a mannequin. If you don't have a mannequin, you can pin it on yourself. I wouldn't highly recommend that because you might actually pin yourself, but if you have another person with you, you can do it like that. But go ahead and pin it on your mannequin. Then you're gonna pin the ruffles to it.
Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today.